Hello. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay. I think it's audible now. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so let's look at the first question. Okay, is the function natural numbers to numbers where n is the set of natural numbers is defined by f of x. Okay. So f of x is equal to n square. Sorry. If n is odd and n square plus 1 if n is even, right? Okay. So now for example, let's just take some values. So 1, 2, 3, 4 natural numbers. Okay, so now let us see about 1. Now 1 is an odd number, so I will put n square. So it will be mapped to a number with 1 square, so which is 1. And taking 2, which is an even number, so I have to follow n square plus 1. So 2 square plus 1 is 2 square plus 1 is 5. Now I'm taking 3. So I'll get an odd again. 3 square is 9. And then I'll take 4 now. So 4 is an even number. N square plus 1 is 16 plus 1, which is 17. So you can, if we are getting only odd numbers here. So it's definitely not 1 1, right? So it's definitely not 1 1. Is it on 2? Is it on 2? See, there are numbers 2, 3, 4 between 1 and 5. They are not mapped with anything. So it's also not on 2. So that's this questions. Okay, now let's look at the next question. Okay, odd question. Find the principal value of tan inverse of tan 15 pi by 4. Okay. So, so tan inverse of tan 15 pi by 4. So how can we write tan 15 pi by 4? So divide 15 by 4, 3. Now I'll get 12, then 3. So I can write it as tan inverse of tan of 3 plus 3 pi, sorry, 3 pi. Oh, sorry. 3 pi plus, then again 3 pi by 4. Okay, so we know that tan is always repeating after every pi. So if you look here, tan will start from here, then it will end here. then it will repeat again, then it will end here. So every pi, it repeats its value. Okay. Okay, so we know that tan repeats every pi. Okay. So we can neglect this 3 pi. So we only need this 3 pi by 4. So tan inverse is equal to tan 3 pi by 4. Okay. So what is tan 3 by 4? So tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4 is 45 into 3. So that's 135, right? Yeah. So 135. So that's in the second quadrant. So tan 3 pi by 4 is in the second quadrant and it will be negative. So what is tan pi by 4? So tan inverse of minus tan pi by 4. So what is tan pi by 4? It's 1, right? So tan inverse of minus 1. So what is tan inverse of minus 1? We know that tan's range is minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4, right? So minus pi by 4 to pi by, sorry, it's not pi by 4. Oh, sure. Okay. I erased it all anyway. So tan inverse of minus 1, okay. So minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 without, so I'm going to subtract without, not without actually, so it's without extreme points, minus pi by 4 and plus pi by 4. So what is tan minus 1? It is actually minus pi by 4. Okay, that's the answer. Next. Next, okay, let's look at the second question. If A vector is equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap, B vector, okay, C vector, find a vector of magnitude B units which is parallel to the vector 2A vector minus B vector plus 6 units. Okay, 2A vector minus, okay. Okay, so we have that's right. So we have A vector is equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap, right? And B vector is equal to 4I cap okay, so minus pi by 4I cap minus 2J cap plus 3K cap. C vector is equal to uh, C vector is equal to I cap minus 2J cap plus K cap, right? Okay, so we have to find a vector parallel to 2A vector minus B vector plus 3C vector. So what is 2A vector? 2A vector is equal to 2I cap plus 2J cap plus 2K cap. And then B vector is the same. Next 3C vector is equal to 3I cap minus 6, okay, 6J cap plus 3K cap. Okay, now and then what we have here, so we have to subtract 2A vector minus B vector. So what is that? 2I vector minus 2J, what is this, plus, right? So plus 2J vector plus 2K vector minus 4I cap minus 2J cap plus 3K cap, right? So we'll do this first, okay? Now what do we have here? Minus 2I cap and then plus 4J cap and then minus k cap. Okay, so finally we need to add a 3c vector. So what is that? So 3i vector minus 6j cap plus 3k cap plus, okay, so we essentially have to add this. So what is that? I cap, and then adding this, so minus 2j cap, and then adding this I'll get plus 2k cap. So this is the like vector, parallel vector. We have to find the vector parallel to this vector, right? Okay, so we have to take let us assume that this is d vector. Now let us find d cap. Okay, what is d cap? It is actually d vector minus modulus of d vector. So what is that? I vector minus 2j cap plus 2k cap by root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Okay, so this is equal to I vector minus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by root of I think 9, right? Then finally we can convert this as I vector minus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by 3. Okay, so this is the unit vector. So this is d cap. Okay, now we have to find a vector having a magnitude. So magnitude of d must be is equal to 6. So what we do is d vector into a scalar product of 6 gives the required vector. So what is that? 6 into I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by 3. Okay, so what is this? I can cancel out. Okay, so 2i cap minus 4j cap, so plus 4k cap. So this is the required vector. Okay, so this is the answer for the second question. Okay. Okay, so what's the third question? If two vectors a vector and b vector are such that a magnitude of a vector is equal to 2 and magnitude of b vector is equal to 1, and the dot product is 1, okay, then find the value of 3a vector minus 3 5b vector. Okay. Okay, so what can we do here? Okay, so this, yeah, so they're given us magnitude of a vector is equal to 2 and magnitude of b vector is equal to 1, and a vector dot b vector is equal to 1. Okay, so we know that a vector dot b vector is equal to magnitude of a vector magnitude of b vector into cos theta, right? So what can we write it as? 1 is equal to, so a vector is 2, so 2, and then b vector is 1 into cos theta. Okay, so we can find cos theta as 1 by 2, and theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. So what is cos inverse of 1 by 2? It is pi. So theta is equal to pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3, right? ஜனார்த்தனன், நான் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுவேன், பட் நானும் படிக்க போகணுமா, அதனால நான் டக்குன்னு முடிச்சுட்டு அப்புறமா நான் படிக்க போகணும். ஓகே, ஏதாவது தப்பு இருந்தா நீ சொல்லு, நான் பார்த்துன்னு தான் இருக்கேன். And then okay, so theta வந்து pi by 3 நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? ஸோ அவங்க என்ன கேட்டுக்கிறாங்க? 3a வெக்டார் minus 5b vector dot product. So okay, so 2a vector plus 7b vector. Okay, yeah, I have an idea. So what you can do is, let's multiply 3a vector into 2a vector. So first we get 3a vector dot product of 2a vector. Okay, then we'll multiply this with 7b vector. So what we'll get is 3a vector dot product of 7b vector, right, minus same 5b vector dot 2a vector, again minus 5b vector dot 7b vector, right. Next what we can do is, since a vector is parallel, okay, so a vector, so theta is equal to actually 0 here, so cos theta will be 1. So we can write it as, so this will get cancelled. So 3 into 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. 2. Okay. So actually need plus. Then a vector and b vector, so we'll multiply this here. Wait a second. இங்க பண்றதுனால திருப்பி இங்க வந்து a vector the whole square வரும். Actually sorry, magnitude of a vector the whole square வரும். So இங்க வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா 3 into 7 என்னது 21 into a vector dot b vector minus here again 5 into 10 a vector dot b vector, then again minus 5 into 7 is actually 35, and again b vector the whole square, right. So let's multiply this. They've given what was the value of a vector? A vector is 2, right. So 2 square into 6 plus 21, and a vector dot b vector was given as 1, and again minus love from South Africa. Awesome. Anyway, okay, so 21 minus 1, then 10 into 1 minus 35. B square is given as 1, so 35 into 1 square. So 2 square is 4 into 6 plus 21 minus 10 minus 35, right. So it's 24 plus 11 minus 35. Okay. Okay, so 24 plus 11 is 35, and 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. So the value of, okay, so the value of the given equation is 0. Okay, value of this. Okay, so that's the third question. Now let's go on to the fourth question. The sides of an equilateral triangle are increasing at the rate of, one second, okay, at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area is increasing when the side is 10 centimeter. Awesome. Okay. Okay, so they're given as okay. Let the side of an equilateral triangle be x. Okay, let us draw an equilateral triangle. Okay, so they're all same, right? So Okay, so the side is x next, and the change of x with respect to time is equal to 2 centimeter per second. Okay, then find the rate at which the area is increasing. So what do we know area? Uh, yeah. So we know the area of the triangle, right? So what is that? Equilateral triangle here, right? So area is equal to root 3 by 4 into x square. Okay, so we need to find the change of area. So dA by dt, okay, with respect to time. This root 3 by 4 is a constant, and uh, x square. So differentiation of x square is 2 into x, right? And then dx by dt. dt. Now, we know the value of dt. What is that? Sorry, dx by dt. 2 centimeter per second, right? So, okay, so dA by dt is equal to root 3 by 4. 4 and this 2 get cancelled. So, 2 into x into dx by dt is 2. So, these two again get cancelled. I will get x root 3. Okay, so they have asked that what is the rate of area in when the side is at 10 centimeter. So when the side is at 10 centimeter, so this will be 10, right? So it is equal to 10 root 3 centimeter square per second. So area centimeter square units. Remember that, okay? Okay, okay. So that's the fourth question, I think. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. 3 marks. Okay. So what they've given us cos of y by x dy, is it minus, oh, no, dy by dx is equal to y cos of y by x plus x. So I have an idea that it is going to be somewhat let me try 1 second. So dy by dx is equal to y plus x by cos of y by x, right? And then what I can write here. So dy by dx minus y is equal to x by cos of Mr. Holcomb. Yeah, நான் சைடில் பார்த்து தான் இருக்கேன், பட் ஐ திங்க் இட்ஸ் விசிபிள் ரைட். மேலே கொஞ்சம் கட் ஆயிடுச்சா? மேலே கொஞ்சம் ஓகே. மேபி திஸ் ஷுட் ஓகே. ஸோ அகைன் இன்டகிரேட்டிங் ஃபேக்டர் போடலாம். இல்லை, ஆனால் இந்த இடத்துல ஒயிட் டேர்ம் இது, ஸோ தட்ஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள். Okay, let us check for another way. What we can do here? We can check if it's homogeneous or not, right? But it is not homogeneous, right? So let us write dy by dx is equal to y y plus x by cos of y by x. So if it's homogeneous, here lambda would get cancelled, and here lambda, but no, this is not the way. What else is the way? கமெண்ட்ல யாராவது சொல்லுங்களாம்பா வழிய. ஹலோ அல்காங். ஹோமோஜினியஸா இதுதாங்க பண்ணுறது. ஹோமோஜினியஸ் வரலையா எனக்கு? இப்போ பாரு, நான் இப்போ dy by dx எடுக்கிறேன் is equal to y plus x by cos of y by x, right? So in terms of lambda எதுற so என்ன வரும்? Lambda y plus lambda x by cos of lambda y by lambda x. Okay, so clearly இந்த lambda கட் ஆயிரும். பட் இப்போ இந்த lambda நம்ம காமனாக தானே வெளியே எடுப்போம். So lambda of y plus x by cos of y by x. Okay, it's okay. I'll save it for later. பரவாயில்லப்பா, நான் டக்கு டக்குன்னு வேறு தான் முடிச்சுட்டு போயினே இருப்பேன். ஓகே, எல்பிபி போட்டுடலாம்ல? எல்பிபி வேணுமா? ஓகே, எல்பிபி போட்டலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வாங்க, probability. Wow. Okay, two numbers are selected without replacement from the first 7 natural numbers. If x denotes the smallest of the two numbers, then find e of x. So mean, right? So they are asking the mean. Now, okay, so x denotes the first 7 natural numbers, right? What are the first 7 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so in random, I'll take these two natural numbers. Which is the smallest of them? Obviously, it's 1. Right. Now I'm going to take 2 and 3 case. So it's obviously 2. Okay, so now Sambat's special guest appearance. Yaru? Okay. Now let us find the occurrences of x is equal to 1. So what does that mean? I'm selecting two natural numbers and the smallest number is 1. Okay, so that's the set. So when is that possible? So when I choose 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6, 1, 7, 2. Again, I can choose 7, 1, right, and 7, 2. So it's just repeating 2 times. Okay. So what is the probability? It is actually uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are totally 14. Okay, let us probability of that occurrence. Okay, is equal to, so total number of favorable outcomes is 14 divided by combination, right? 7C2. So what is 7C2? Mm, I think, okay, so 14 divided by, I think, 21, right? Yeah, 21. Then we can cancel this out to 2 and then here 3, so 2 by 3. Thank you, Holcomb. Next, for getting x is equal to 2. Okay, so when will x be 2? X be 2 when I choose 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 6, and 2 and 7, but not with 1, right? I should not choose 1, or the smallest number become 1. Okay, so what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 twos are 12, right? So I'll get 12 favorable outcomes divided by again 7C2, which is equal to 12 by 21. Then cancelling, I'll get 4 by 7. Yeah. Now next is P of x is equal to 3. So when will I get x is equal to 3? Again, uh, whenever 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are chosen. So total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 twos are 10 divided by 7C2, which is equal to 10 by 21. Okay, I can't simplify further. Then P of x is equal to 4. Okay, P of x is equal to 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. சரிப்பா. Shout out to Dhyanesh. தியானேஷ் எவ்வளோ பெரிய டாப்பர் தெரியுமா? தியானேஷ்லாம் 10th பெரிய ஆள், டாப்ல வந்தான். ஓகே, 4க்கு வந்து 8, 7C2, which is again 8 by 21. அப்படிலாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து P of x is equal to 5க்கு வந்து what are the possible? 6 by 7C2, which is equal to 6 by 21, which is equal to 2 by 7. Then P of x is equal to 6. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then second one 6, 7க்கு வந்து 2. 1, 2. 1 second. I think okay, so 1, 2. Okay, so actually there are 4 over here. Then for x is equal to 4, I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm getting 6. Oh, okay. I just need to subtract, like, okay. Okay, awesome. It's wrong. Okay, I'll just erase this out. எப்படா கரெக்ட்? See, 1 வந்து எதோதெல்லாம் மேட்ச் ஆகும்? 1,2, 1,3, 1,4, 1,5, 1,6 and 1,7. Then again 7,1, 7,2, 7,3. Sorry. So it's 6,1, 5,1, 4,1, and then 3,1, and then 2,1. So there are totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I just need to subtract no 2 from each. Okay, 8, 6, and then over here 4, and then finally 2, 7. So I'll get 12 by 21, 10 by 21, and 8 by 21. 6 by 21, 4 by 21, and then 2 by 21, right? Okay, finally I would have x is equal to, p of x is equal to 7. So remember, we have to choose two numbers. So we have to choose, so one number is 7. So there's no other number bigger than 7 over here. So for there will be no set, okay, related with 7. So the probability is actually 0. Okay. Okay, then what I've asked, mean, right? So I'll just directly multiply x over here. So I'll get mean as 12 by 21, 21, and then 20 by 21, again 24 by 21, and then 24 by 21 again, 20 by 21, and then 12 by 21, and then 0. Awesome. Okay, so what you have to do is add this up. So what is this? 12 plus 20 plus 24 plus 24 plus 20 plus 12. 20 plus 12 divided by 21. Okay, let me just calculate it. 12 plus 20 plus 20 plus 12 plus 24 plus 24 divided by 21. Okay, no. Let's just leave it at 1, 1, 2. So it is 112 by 21. So this is the mean of x. Okay. Okay, so that's the mean of x. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, seventh one done. One second. Next, okay, I think eighth one is simple, right? It's pretty much simple. யாருக்குமே பண்ண மாட்டான் மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் டூன்னு நம்ம நிறைய வாட்டி பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இட்ஸ் சிம்பிள். ஸோ மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் டூனா கண்டிப்பாக மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் ஃபோர் இருக்கும். தென் ஓகே, ஐ திங்க் ரிலேஷன் ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஈஸியாக பண்ணிடலாம். Yeah, matrices. Matrices. Okay, so they've given A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. I think that's minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Okay, so what is the given equations? X plus y plus 2z is equal to 0, and then x plus 2y, and then that's minus z is equal to 9, and then okay, once again, x minus 3y plus 3z is equal to minus 14. Okay, so they've asked to find A inverse. So let us just find the cofactors of A. So what are the cofactors of A? Okay, so for 1, okay, so let us just, okay, for 1, what is it? 2, oh my god, why is it happening? Matrix in high school though. I'm sorry, but it's in my syllabus. I gotta do it. Okay, so it's actually 2 into 3, it's 6, and then so let us just write it. Okay, sorry, yeah, 6, and then minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3, then again minus 3. Then for this element I have to put minus sign, and then again 3 into 1, 3, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, so it will become plus 6. Sorry. And then okay, and then for this element we'll just do 1. Okay, so minus 1 and then minus 4. For this element it's 3 plus 1. Okay, so minus of, then for this element it's 3 minus 2, and then for this element it is minus of, okay, it's minus 1 minus 2. For this element it is minus 3 minus 2, and then minus of. For this element it is minus 3 minus 3 minus 1, and then for finally this element it is 2 minus 1. So this is the cofactors of A. So I'll just simplify this. So 3 plus 6, 9, so minus 9, and then minus 5, and then for this minus 4, and then for this 1, here I'll get plus, okay, plus 3. For this I'll get, what is that, minus 2, right? Yeah, minus 2. Yeah, minus 2. So minus 5. And then for minus 4 plus 4, 1. Okay, so this is the cofactors of A. So what is adjoint of A? Transpose of cofactors of A, right? So what is transpose of cofactors of A? So 3 minus 4 minus 5 and then minus 9, 1, 4 minus 5, 3, 1. Okay, so let us find adjoint of A over here. Adjoint of A is equal to 1 into 6 plus 3, sorry, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, and then again minus 1 into 3 plus 6, and then plus 1 into minus 1 minus 4. So it is equal to 1 into 3 minus 1 into 9 plus 1 into minus 5. So 3 minus 9 minus 5. What is that actually? So minus 6 minus 5 minus 11. So adjoint of A is equal to minus 11. Sorry, determinant of A. So we have found the adjoint of A and the determinant of A. So what is A inverse? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into adjoint of A, right? So A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 11 into 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9, 1, 4 minus 5 again, 3 and then 1. So this is the required A inverse. Okay, so we can hmm, compare. Okay, 2, 1. Okay, let us write this set of equations as a matrices. Okay, so what you will get? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3, 3. Yeah. Is it anywhere related to that? Wow. So let us assume this should be like a matrix D. Okay. So matrix D is A transpose. Okay. So we know that matrix D is equal to A transpose. Next, and then we know that X is equal to A inverse of B. A inverse of B, right? But for this problem, I have taken the equation matrices as D. Okay, so what I have to do is X is equal to, I know that D is equal to A transpose, right? So A transpose to the whole inverse into B. So I can also write this as X into A inverse the whole transpose into B. Okay, transpose, okay, with T, right? Now I know A inverse, I found it out, and B I could just write it from the set of equations. So yeah, so this is simpler from then I think you can do that. Okay, நான் நாளைக்கு வந்து ஆனால் இந்த மற்ற சம்ஸ் எல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு நான் பிடிஎஃப் அனுப்பிச்சி விட்றேன்பா. எனக்கு வீட்டில் கூப்பிட்றாங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங். பாய்.